Hello, in this video we will see how can we use modify current date block. So first we'll go to date time formatter, then select modify current date. Now in date format I will write the format in which I want my date to be. So for example, date, month and year. Time zone will be as per country. So I'm taking Asia/Kolkata here, which is for India. Operation can be add or subtract. So for example, if I want the exact same date, so I can simply write here add, and in value I can write 0. Now in unit we'll have to write day, hours or seconds or minutes. So for example, I'll just take seconds here. We will run and save this. Now as we can see here, we got 25th December 2023. Now let's take an example. If I want 26th December here, so I will add a day. Add day and value will be 1. As we can see here, now in the data we have 26th December. Similarly, we can change hours. Now here if I want hours, I will have to write HHSS. Then here I can add R. We will run and save this. Here in the data we can see 25th December and it is showing 5:29, but now it is 4:29. So 1 hour was added. Similarly, we can add or subtract hours, days or seconds here, and if we want same date, so we can simply put the value as 0 here.